Hi again. In this lecture we will talk about the underlay. First we need to close the 3D view and open the floor plan first floor. As you can see, we currently have only the exterior walls here, as they are the only ones that go up to the roof level. However, we can still see the interior walls as a light color, but we cannot select them or edit them. Basically, they are shown here as an underlay layer, and it means that we can see the walls located at the floor below. The underlay has the function to help us on the modeling process, and in this exercise, most of the walls on the second floor overlap with those on the first. At this moment, our underlay range is between the ground floor and the first floor levels, and of course, we can edit this range when necessary. On the underlay panel, we can control the base level and top level ranges. And at this moment, we can view the ground floor because the range is set from level 1 to level 2. However, it may happen that you don't see anything in your project. If that's the case, your base level might be set to none, or you may have a range without drawings yet. Another option is the drawing orientation. If it says look down, it's like the view of a bird flying above, looking down at the ground. In case we change it to look up, imagine now a building above our head and we are looking up at it from below. You can see the difference here. This time the door openings are shown because they are exactly at level 1. And for better understanding, have a look at it in a 3D perspective. Okay, let's start making the walls for the first floor. This is the floor plan with the dimensions, and you can see that most walls are in the same place. It's exactly with them that I'm going to start, and you will see it's going to be pretty easy and quick. Click on the command wall and make sure the interior wall type is selected. Then, for the location line, let's keep with this finish face. Okay, the method I'm using here is drawing from the snap points and follow the position of the walls below. Like this. Now, as I reach this wall and there is nothing to draw here, I press escape only once and click to place the next wall. If the location line is on the opposite face of the one you need, remember to press the spacebar to switch to the other side. Next, let's continue drawing these walls here because they still overlap the first floor. Now let's go for the walls that don't exist in the floor below, and I will do it in the same way as I did previously. Place the pointer at this endpoint, move up, and type the correct distance. And now I need to press the spacebar to move the wall to the other side, and join the wall here. After, for this wall, I do the same thing, and even I don't know the exact length, the wall has to intersect this auto track line. So click and then join the wall with the corner. Now I just need the remaining walls. And now look at this tip. Actually, to draw a wall in an exact location, it's not required to have the endpoint, as most of the time if you place the pointer at the wall, this temporary length appears and we just need to type the value. Then this time, as this distance will be 2 meters, look that it's also easy to place the right length by only moving the pointer. So, we have finished all the walls in this project. In the next lesson, I will show you how to draw them again, but using a different method.